Hey, good morning. This is Friday, the 25th, last day of the week. So, for English today, we're getting on our iPads and we're going to click on the text books. I think we might have done that when you were here, but there's a new bundle code. So, on your iPad, find the icon that has a bunch of books on it, and it'll say e-text books. If you click on that, then click on the yellow tab. It's going to open up a little box and it's wanting a code. So if you input your code, this will give you access to our literature book. So the code is MNTRFO. MNTRFO. And I will email you that too to make sure that you have that. And once you have that, the little black book's going to come up. And if you click on the book, it will open up each section and collection 1. And the theme is fear. If you download that, then that will be on your iPad. So when we start our literature book next week, you'll be able to access that. And I'll email you more about that later this morning. We're just working on your IXLs. You should have most of them done by now. R1 was yesterday, which was topic sentences. So you need to complete all the Qs, KK1, KK2, and then yesterday R1 about topic sentences. We're going to watch a little short video, so you can watch that and talk about fear and what scares you. We'll spend a little bit of time doing that today. In social studies, you should be working on your Google Docs, your perfect paragraph. I gave you examples of how to do that. You have a list of the cruel laws and the fair laws to turn into sentences to type on that. And so you should be about finished. And if you're not sure how about to do that Google Docs, I'll probably send another message later today on step-by-step how to do that. Okay, since this is the first time that we've done that in 6th grade, should have done that in 5th grade, but first time in 6th grade. So I'll go over that later. Okay, all right. So work on those IXLs, getting them completed. Work on typing up your paper on the rough draft, and then when we move that all to a Google Docs, I'll show you how to do that later today. Okay, all right.